Alright, here we are in the junkyard. It's a black 2002 F-150. I'm just going to steal the hood latch off from it. It's pretty much just two 8mm bolts, one on each side. Alright, here it is off. Once you take the two 8mm off, it pulls right up. And to get this cable off, you just pinch this end and slide it through the hole. It'll pop right off. Now time to go put it on. Alright, here we are back at home from the junkyard. Works pretty good. I cleaned it all up with some WD on there. It's a very easy process. Just two bolts and then one wire. Before it was just when I go to close the hood, this part was holding the hood shut, but the actual latch wasn't working. So of course this truck has a latch problem for some reason. But now it closes nice and tight. Good to go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here on Fix and Flip, work on all sorts of different cars and different parts.